know it's been months, I know it's been time. And when I'm inside of all that I've been going through, you're always there for me. And I want you to know I treasure you until the end. You keep on giving and you always satisfy my needs. You never ask for anything in return but trust in me.
Era pela primavera, glória a Deus. Deus vai manter. Aleluia. Abbiamo un giornata meravigliosa nella presenza del Signore. Amen.